you're asking for it, you're gonna get bit. See, like, Bo over there, he's not eating because he's shedding.
Oh.
So he won't eat. You aren't asking for it. But I don't know about this one.
Ah. Did he bite him?
You can get him. You're asking for it.
It's February African American month. I think so too. Okay. Although I like that one that the kids watched last year for 3rd grade.
Hey. You want it? You don't even want it, do you? Nope.
Touched it?
No, but the mouse likes to poke the snake in the face.
I'll get him.
I want to show you what the mouse does. Come on. Come on. Come on. Move your butt.
Here, I want to pick him up.
No, just watch. He's not eating.
He's not eating.
He likes to poke the snake
Okay,
in the face, though.
I think he ate recently. So go ahead and put the